Number 1. The 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $17,000, has been meticulously modified and restored. It features a rebuilt 327 engine with Hedman long tube headers, Flowmaster exhaust, Wyand intake, and Edelbrock carburetor, ensuring optimal performance. The cooling system includes a large aluminum radiator with dual fans and a 200-amp alternator. The TH3M50 automatic transmission is paired with Right Stuff 4-wheel disc brakes, an 8-inch mini booster, and new brake lines. The steering has been upgraded with power steering, a new stainless fuel tank, and a newly styled stock interior. The suspension utilizes Air Slamit 4-wheel air ride with relocated front shocks and tubular control arms. The car rides on 18-inch wheels with two 45/45 tires up front and two 75/40 tires at the rear. Additional features include a retro sound stereo, GPS speedometer, and fresh, shiny paint. This combination of modifications makes the car both classic and modern, offering a comfortable driving experience. Number 2. The 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, priced at $13,000, is a restoration project mostly completed. It runs a 350 engine with less than 10,000 miles, installed by the previous owner, paired with a 3-on-the-tree transmission. A rare feature includes bucket seats ordered directly from Chevrolet San Jose, California. The cabin has new carpeting and refreshed front and rear seat upholstery. However, some areas still need attention, such as the windshield wiper switch and heater controls, which work via separate switches. The suspension has been updated with tubular A-arms front and rear, and a new Borla exhaust system has been installed. The body was reportedly rust-free before painting, although parts of the interior floor show residual rust. The car is ready to drive, but not fully complete, and it is sold with standard tires. The seller is motivated to sell and open to offers. Number 3. The 1965 Pontiac Parisienne, priced at $15,000, is a stunning lowrider combining classic design with modern modifications. Powered by a Corvette 327 engine enhanced with an Edelbrock carburetor and intake, along with street headers connected to 4-inch rear exhaust, it delivers a powerful, unique sound. The engine features a chrome kit for a premium look, while the floor is solid and rust-free. Chrome wheels with new tires add elegance, complemented by LED lights for a modern touch. The interior has been fully refreshed with custom seats and a high-quality audio system featuring an amplifier and subwoofer. Maintained over 7 years, all features, including the heater, wipers, lights, and other mechanisms, function perfectly. This car offers a blend of style, performance, and comfort, ideal for collectors or classic car enthusiasts looking for a unique, ready-to-use vehicle. Number 4. The 1973 Oldsmobile Omega, priced at $11,000, remains mostly original. The exterior showcases original green-tinted glass with no cracks and green paint that requires some attention. Its original 350 V8 Oldsmobile Gold engine has been upgraded with a new Holley carburetor. The AC system needs recharging. The suspension has been refreshed with new shocks, and the fuel system has been serviced with a new fuel pump, sending unit, tank cleaning, and new fuel lines. The interior remains in good original condition, enhanced by a modern audio system with Bluetooth amplifier and a 10-inch subwoofer. It also features Bluetooth adjustable halo LED headlights. The car drives well, equipped with Cutlass rally wheels, and comes with whitewall tires and stock wheels. It has a clean title, current registration, and is attractively priced or best offer. The seller is also open to trading for land. Number 5. The 1968 Pontiac Bonneville Brougham, priced at $9,000, features a V8 400 engine and automatic transmission. According to the description, this car is in good condition with a straight body and good tires. The interior is original and still comfortable, with functioning features such as wipers, radio, air conditioning, connected and working, heater and power windows, though they are a little stiff due to infrequent use. The odometer shows 33,000 miles. This car is suitable for daily driving with a few minor issues and comes with clean ownership documents. The combination of original features and well-maintained condition makes it attractive to collectors or classic car enthusiasts. Number 6. The 1962 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $15,000, is in fairly good condition externally, although there are some technical issues. The engine is not the original, and the car has been modified with front disc brakes and a rear differential from a 1964 model. The interior still looks neat with dominant red coloring, though there are some signs of age such as rust in certain areas. The car also has mechanical issues, including pulling to the right when driven and a non-functional fuel gauge. Furthermore, the car has not been driven on the road for a long time and no longer meets legal road requirements. The spare tire and additional tools are stored in the trunk, which still has carpet. Number 7. The 1972 Mercury Comet, priced at $7,000, is a restoration project. This car is equipped with a 302 Ci engine from the early 70s, with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, modified intake, MSD ignition, a reinforced C6 transmission, and a 8-inch Posey rear axle. The front tires and brakes are new, but the car shows signs of damage such as rust, dents, and scratches. The exhaust system needs repair, and some light cables need adjustment. Despite this, the car runs and drives, making it a good base for further restoration. Number 8. The 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, priced at $6,500, comes with a Pontiac 400 V8 engine with casting Darreservoir 8194, which is a replacement block from the 1973-1974 period. The engine has 19,000 miles, runs well, and includes a new battery. The car features a classic Landau vinyl top and an upgraded Bluetooth stereo system. Overall, the interior is complete but has some cosmetic issues. The exterior showcases the classic 70s style with a solid body, though some components may require minor repairs for refinement. This car is suitable as a daily driver or for light restoration. The asking price is substantial, or best offer, and comes with original 1977 purchase documents and several maintenance records. Number 9. The 1979 Plymouth Velar, priced at $7,000, has a classic 80s style. It shows 87,000 miles and uses a 1971 340 PC engine that has been modified with a cam, chrome headers, Edelbrock intake, and a Holley double-pump carburetor. An aftermarket side pipe exhaust system is also installed. The engine is in good condition, though it is uncertain if the block is standard. The car has an automatic transmission. The body has some imperfections but is still solid with only surface rust at the bottom. The car can be driven without additional inspection. It is equipped with new BF Goodrich tires on Mopar Rally wheels, and the interior is red with 50/50 vinyl fabric bucket seats, a center console, and a JVC audio system. The price is reasonable or negotiable, with serious inquiries only, no reservations, and no down payment. Number 10. The 1962 Ford Falcon Econoline, priced at $16,000, is in good condition, as seen in the photos and description. The exterior is predominantly red with some white parts that maintain its original character. The interior is neat with wood floors and a spacious cabin, although the original bench seats are not installed. The original Ford inline-six engine, along with the 3-speed manual on-the-tree transmission, is claimed to still run well without significant issues over the past 5 years. Maintenance performed includes carburetor repairs and alternator replacement. The vehicle has 2 small rust spots, but overall it looks well maintained for its age. With a history of being stored for 25 years in a warehouse before the current owner, the car reflects full care. The price is negotiable for serious buyers with no exchanges. Number 11. The 1972 Stutz Blackhawk base, priced at $19,000, is a rare vehicle that is a collector's item. Its condition is generally very good with a powerful V8 engine. The classic exterior design is typical of Stutz, though some parts require attention to restore it to perfect condition. The interior has brown and white leather seats, giving it a luxurious feel, and most areas are well maintained. However, there are signs of wear in certain areas. The spoke wheels provide an elegant touch, and the black convertible top adds to the vehicle's aesthetic value. With a little more attention, this car could become the highlight of a classic vehicle collection. Number 12. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $18,000, is equipped with a 350 V8 engine, TH350 floor automatic transmission, and a 10-bolt rear axle with a 3.73 gear ratio. The car is roadworthy and can be used immediately or as a restoration project. The body and paint show signs of aging with bubbles, dents, and scratches, but the floor and body panels are still solid. The car is equipped with power steering and manual brakes, runs well, and all lights and indicators work, including the horn. Although the front passenger floor is slightly rusted, the rest is in good condition. This car is suitable for Chevelle enthusiasts with a budget in mind, and the seller offers it as is before starting post-holiday restoration. Don't expect a show car, it's a project choice with an interesting value. Number 13. The 1964 Plymouth Barracuda, priced at $19,000, has undergone a full restoration, plus several upgrades. The car features upgraded front suspension, front disc brakes, large tires and wheels, a stereo system, an aluminum radiator with a protector, and a telescoping antenna. The original V8 273 engine with matching frame numbers has been reconditioned and equipped with a performance camshaft, Offenhausen intake manifold, and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. The interior is clean and well-maintained with new blue carpet, while the exterior is painted in shiny light blue. The vehicle has only traveled about 500 miles since restoration, making it an attractive option for collectors or classic car enthusiasts. Number 14. The 1968 Ford Galaxy, priced at $7,000, is currently in the restoration project stage. The car is equipped with a 390fe engine, C6 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch rear axle with a 2.75 gear ratio. It was from Texas until 2005, and the chassis and floor of the car are very solid, with 135,000 miles. The owner recently replaced the trunk floor, so it is now sturdy. A full interior is available, although some parts like the dashboard need attention. Many spare parts, including trim, doors, and windows, will be included in the sale. The car is still drivable, though it needs a repaint. The owner offers flexible pricing and is open to negotiations or bartering but prefers cash payment. Number 15. The 1958 Edsel Villager, priced at $6,000 with a 9-passenger capacity, still retains many classic elements aesthetically, though some areas show wear and rust, especially in the rear body sections. The interior is in original condition but requires repairs, particularly in the steering and dashboard areas. The engine appears to be intact with additional modifications such as an uninstalled Phi-Tech fuel injection system, and an original Holley carburetor is also available. Other mechanical equipment, such as the Teletouch motor, relay, and master cylinder, has been reconditioned, and a rear suspension kit has been installed for a lowered look. New brakes and wheel cylinders are also provided, along with accessories like fender skirts and hood mirrors. While it has active registration and clean ownership documents, this car requires towing due to some missing or non-functioning important. I'm sorry for rarely uploading videos. Thank you for watching. It makes me happy to see your support, guys.